Like you, Paul had been paying credit card and ACH fees every time a customer sent him money. Week after week, those little charges piled up. $85 here, $200 there, and he just accepted it as the cost of doing business. Then one Tuesday afternoon, one of his customers wired him $110,000, and the fee was $5. Not 5%, not $50, just $5. That one change saved him hundreds that day and thousands over the course of a year. And the money hit his account within hours. Hey, I'm Joe with Best Decision Bookkeeping, where we help contractors, tradespeople, and other service-based business owners turn their books into powerful tools for growth. Today, I'm going to show you the $5 fix that changed how one general contractor manages cash flow and how you can use the same system to keep more of what you earn. This client had been with some big name bank for as long as he could remember. He trusted it. He knew the branch manager by name, and like most people, he figured switching banks would be a nightmare. Why mess with something familiar? But that familiarity was expensive. Every time a customer paid through QuickBooks, he'd see another ACH charge. Vendor payments took days to clear, and deposits sat in limbo. And his cash flow, the lifeblood of every construction company, was always a step behind. When we started working together, I asked him a simple question. What would happen if your money moved faster? A few weeks later, we jumped into a Zoom meeting with Relay Financial's onboarding team. They asked the kind of questions most banks never ask about how payments move through his jobs, when vendors expect deposits, and what slows everything down. You could see the gears turning. He realized his old system wasn't broken. It just wasn't built for the way contractors actually work. And that's when the light bulb went off. Later that same day, my phone rang. He was pumped. He said, "Joe, you're not going to believe this. I just got a wire for $97,000 and the fee was just $5. The money, it's already in my account." A few days later, he did it again. Another wire, this time for over $100,000. The same result. $5 fee, money and hours, vendors paid, project moving again. That's when it hit him. Cash flow wasn't his problem. His banking system was. Now, some of you might still be collecting paper checks. I get it. It feels safe. You've done it for years. But here's the truth. Every check comes with risk. You have to wait for the client to cut it. Then it sits on someone's desk. Maybe it gets mailed. Maybe you drive to pick it up. And even after you finally deposit it, you're still waiting days for it to clear. That's not money in motion. That's money sitting still. Every extra day waiting on a check is another day your cash flow is stuck. Your vendors are waiting and your next project's delayed. Relay cuts that entire waiting game down to hours instead of weeks. Let's say you're running about $300,000 a year through your business. That's about $3,000 in standard ACH fees. At $500,000, it's closer to $5,000. And if you're moving $1 million a year, you're losing $10,000 just to move your own money. If you switch to $5 wires, you're saving anywhere from $2,500 to $9,500 a year, cash that stays in your business. And if you're using QuickBooks to collect ACH payments, you probably felt the pain there too. I've seen payments take anywhere from 2 to 7 business days, sometimes longer when the payment is large or new. QuickBooks can even put your deposits on hold while they review them. That means your money, the money you've already earned, is sitting in limbo while you wait. Relay moves it within hours, not days. Think about it. In construction, when money slows down, the whole business slows down. You can't pay vendors or order materials. You can't start the next job. You can't move forward. But when money moves fast, your entire operation picks up speed. That's what Relay did for him. Now, what made it so powerful wasn't just the $5 fee. It's how Relay is built around cash flow logic. Instead of one giant pot of money, you can open multiple checking accounts yourself in minutes. One for operating, one for projects, one for taxes, and one for profit. Up to 20 accounts. Every dollar has a job the moment it hits your bank. That's the difference between old school banking and what I call cash flow banking. With Relay, money doesn't just land, it automatically moves where it belongs. So you always know exactly where you stand today. Not 2 weeks from now when the statement shows up. And here's the best part. We'll help you set it up. Even if you're not ready for bookkeeping services, my team and I will walk you through the process step by step. We'll help you open your Relay accounts, connect them to QuickBooks, and show you how to use those accounts to stop losing money on fees and start keeping more of it. Full disclosure, using our Relay link below helps support the channel, but it doesn't cost you a dime. We only recommend tools we actually use with our clients, and Relay is one of the best of them. Here's the truth. Most business owners don't lose money because they make bad decisions. They lose it because they don't see what's happening soon enough to fix it. When your money moves slow, your business moves slow. But when cash moves fast, when you can send, receive, and organize it the same day, everything changes. You make better decisions, your team gets paid faster, your projects finish on time, and you sleep a whole lot better. That's exactly what this contractor discovered, and it started with a single $5 wire. So if you're ready to stop bleeding cash and start building real momentum, hit the link below and schedule a free Relay setup call. We'll help you get connected, show you how to manage cash flow the easy way, and put more money back in your pocket. And if this video helped, then tap the like button and subscribe. It'll help others contractors find the tools that actually make a difference. And if cash flow has been your biggest headache, watch this video next, Cash Flow 1-on-1. It'll show you exactly how to use the money you already have to fund your next job without stress and without surprises. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.